Now, we are going to learn about persona and journey mapping, which are the methods in synthesis phase of UX research process. Introduction. Up to now, we had completed different phases like research planning, data collection, analysis in UX research process. Now, we are going to see final stage, which is synthesis phase. This is the phase in which all the collected research data is transformed into meaningful insights. To transform the research findings into meaningful design decisions, there are two methods are there in synthesis phase. They are persona and journey mapping. So, what do you mean by persona? A persona is a fictional and research-based user profile created from real data that helps teams to design with real users in mind rather than assumptions. These user profiles are created using research, surveys, interviews, observations, or data analysis. What persona includes? As we said, persona is a user profile. It includes name and photo, age, occupation, goals and motivations, pain points and behaviors. Why personas are important? Keeps the team user-focused, helps in decision-making, aligns product goals with user needs. Types of personas. There are mainly three types. Primary persona. These are the user profiles of main target users. Secondary persona. These are the profiles of the users who use the product occasionally and who are not the primary target audience. Negative persona. These are the user profiles who are never going to use the product. Steps to create a persona. Step 1. Do some research and collect information using different methods like surveys, interviews, observations, Google Forms, and social media reviews, etc. And find the patterns like age group, problems, behaviors, and goals, etc. Step 2. Identify common traits and look for similarities. Like, are most users students? Are most users working professionals? What problems do they face? Step 3. Create the persona profile. Build your persona like this. Name, Riya Sharma. Age, 20. Occupation, BCA student. Location, Mumbai. Goals. Quickly download study materials. Track assignments. Frustrations. Slow websites. Too many ads. Complicated login process. Tech skills. Moderate. Step 4. Add a short story, which is optional. Example, Riya checks the website during short breaks between lectures. She prefers simple design and fast loading because she mostly uses mobile data. Basic persona template. Persona template contains following fields of information: name, age, job, background, goals, pain points, tech level, quote, etc. Advantages of personas. Improves decision making. Build empathy. Align team members. Now, we are going to learn about journey mapping. Journey mapping. Journey mapping is a visual and chronological representation of the steps, emotions, and interactions of a user experiences while attempting to achieve a goal with a product or service. Importance of journey mapping. With the help of journey mapping, we can able to understand user interactions, identify problem areas, and improve user experience. Key elements of journey mapping. The main elements that are present in journey mapping are user persona, a fictional representation of the ideal target user based on research, demographics, behaviors, and needs. User goal, the specific objective or outcome that a user wants to achieve while using a product or service. Stages and main points, the key steps in the user journey along with the important actions, decisions, or touchpoints in each stage. Why should we use journey mapping? The use of customer journey map will able to pinpoints the moments of customer which give clear insights to the brand about customer experience. Journey map is empathy driven because it humanizes data to bring out ground level insights. And action oriented means those insights enable brands to tackle pain points. Stages of journey mapping. There are mainly 5 stages in customer journey. They are awareness. The customer becomes aware of a product or service. They discover it through ads, social media, search, or word of mouth. Consideration. The customer starts comparing options. They check reviews, features, prices, and alternatives. Purchase. The customer decides to buy. They complete the payment or sign up for the service. Post-purchase. The customer uses the product. They evaluate their experience and satisfaction. Retention. The goal is to keep the customer coming back. Good experience leads to repeat purchases and loyalty. Now, we are going to see the simple example of online shopping to understand the stages. In online shopping, Step 1. Search for the product. Step 2. Compare the product. Step 3. Add to cart. Suite P4. Checkout and delivery. Advantages of journey mapping. Improves usability. Reduces user frustration. Enhances customer satisfaction. Conclusion. UX research transforms user data into actionable design insights. Personas and journey maps help teams to design with empathy. A structured research process leads to better usability and user satisfaction.